How to apply for Pag-ibig MP2 Savings account online. Go to pag-ibigfundservices.com. Click apply for MP2. Click continue. Fill in necessary information needed. Your Pag-ibig membership ID number, last name, first name, date of birth, enter the code, click submit, enter the desired monthly contribution. The minimum monthly contribution is 500. Preferred dividend payout. You can choose annually or 5-year. Enter. Then, mode of payment. Select source of funds. Print your MP2 Pag-ibig Enrollment form. Dalhin po sa Pag-ibig branch with your valid ID to validate your account. At makapag-start na po kayo maghulog ng inyong MP2 Savings.